Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new stitch for you, and it's this one. It's the raised V-stitch, and you can see the V stitch over here is coming up on your work. So it has a nice texture to your crochet work. And the front and the back looks the same, so there's no right or wrong side. And it's a nice thick texture. So I'm going to show you how you can crochet this stitch. I've got my yarn, and I've got a 4.5mm crochet hook, and I'm going to make a slip knot first. And your foundation chain has to be a multiples of 4 plus 1. So first we're going to make a multiple of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And keep in mind that your work will be slightly smaller because you're going to crochet in a sixth loop from your hook. So keep that in mind. So I made a multiples of 4, and then I need to add one more chain. So it's a multiple of 4 plus 1. So we're going to skip the first 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the 6th stitch, we're going to make the V stitch like this. Going to make a double crochet. In that same stitch, make one more double crochet. Chain 1. In that same stitch, you're going to make 2 more double crochets. So all into one stitch there are 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. What I'm going to show you next is for the rest of this pattern, or for this row. You're going to skip 3 stitches, and in the 4th we're going to make 2 double crochets, all in that one same stitch. Chain 1, and in that same stitch you're going to make 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. So skip 3 chains, and in the 4th make 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets. Skip 3 stitches, and in the 4th make 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2 double crochets. So continue this until you have 1, 2, 3 stitches left, and then in the last stitch make 1 double crochet. Now chain 3, turn your work, and for row 2, I'm gonna grab some more yarn. For row 2 we need to make front post double crochets. So this chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of the first stitch. Now over this V stitch over here you have 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. That first double crochet we're gonna stitch, and around that next double crochet we're gonna make a front post double crochet. And that makes the raised part of this raised V-stitch. Now in a chain 1 space over here, I'm gonna make a double crochet, chain 1, and in that same chain 1 space make 1 double crochet. And now for this V-stitch you have 2 double crochets left, and at first we're gonna see over here we're gonna make a front post double crochet. And the next double crochet we're just gonna skip. So again you have 4 double crochets for this V-stitch, with 2 front post double crochets and 2 normal double crochets, and the chain 1 in the center. So for your next V-stitch, your 4 double crochets over here, skip that first one, and around that next one make a front post double crochet. then in a chain 1 space make a double crochet, chain 1, in that same chain 1 space make 1 more double crochet. For your next double crochet make a front post double crochet, and that second double crochet from this V-stitch you're gonna skip. So continue this for the rest of this row. So skip that first double crochet from your next V-stitch, and around that next double crochet make a front post double crochet. In a chain 1 space make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and in that same chain 1 space make 1 more double crochet. And around that next double crochet make a front post double crochet, and leave the other double crochet just for what it is. So I'm at my last V-stitch part. So that first double crochet you're gonna skip, and around that next double crochet you're gonna make a front post double crochet. In a chain 1 space make a double crochet, chain 1, and make 1 more double crochet in the chain 1 space, and around that next double crochet make a front post double crochet, and leave that next double crochet. Now I'm at the end of my row, and I'm gonna make a double crochet in the 6th chain, so in the 5th chain, I'm sorry, so 1 2 3 4 5. So make 1 more, just make 1 double crochet. And if you want to change colors, then just don't finish your double crochet. So if you are gonna make it with 1 color, just make your double crochet and chain 3 to turn your work. But if you want to change colors, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a double crochet but don't finish it. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook and leave the other 2, and then grab another color, leave a tail, and this other color you're gonna pull through the last 2 loops on your hook, and then you change the color. Now chain 3, and row 2 is all you have to repeat. I'm going to show you one more time. So the chain 3 counts as a double crochet on top of this double crochet, and here you have your V-stitch. You have a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, double crochet. You can see that these were the normal double crochets, and they are standing up right now because you are at the other side of row 2. So you have that 1 2 double crochets over here, so skip that first one, and around that next one make 1 front post double crochet. In the chain 1 space make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and in that same chain 1 space make 1 more double crochet, and around that next double crochet make 1 front post double crochet, and you're gonna skip that next double crochet over here. So go over to the next V-stitch part, skip that first double crochet over here, and in the next, so you're always using the inner 2 double crochets of your 4 double crochet V-stitch. So skip that first one, and around the next one make 1 front post double crochet, in a chain 1 space make a double crochet, chain 1, and make 1 more double crochet, and around that next double crochet make 1 front post double crochet. So continue this for the rest of your row. Making front post double crochets, chain 1 double crochet, and 1 more double front post double crochet. So here's the last V-stitch, and I'm at the end, and I have 1, 2, 3 chains over here, and in a third chain I'm gonna make a double crochet. And there's all there is to it for this pattern. So you can alter between colors if you like to. You can say like, if you want 2 colors like this, then make 1 more row and then just grab your yarn and let it come up, so you don't have to weave in ends that much. But you can also use it with maybe scrap yarn and make just 1 row of every color, or just make 1 solid piece. So you can choose whatever you want to. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put on a notification so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye!